Hello friends, welcome to Motorspark. With the growing prices of fossil fuels like petrol and diesel, Indian automobile sector has promised to bring different CNG versions of their cars. An alternative of petrol and diesel has been increasing in Indian automobile market. So 2022 लाया है आपके लिए CNG कार का भंडार। आज हम बात करेंगे टाटा की माइक्रो कॉम्पैक्ट एसयूवी टाटा पंच के सीएनजी वर्जन की। स्पेक्यूलेशंस काफ़ी तेज चल रही है टाटा पंच सीएनजी को लेकर। तो हम आपको बता दें कि टाटा पंच का सीएनजी वर्जन 2022 में लॉन्च होगा। टाटा टियागो सीएनजी और टाटा टिगोर सीएनजी के बाद अब टाटा पंच का ही नंबर है। दिस माइक्रो कॉम्पैक्ट एसयूवी हैज़ सो मच टू ऑफर, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट engine specifications. Engine specification will be same, 1.2 liter turbo petrol with manual transmission and automatic DCT transmission. Tata always gives a priority to their safety, so with Tata Steel you feel very safe. Tata Punch CNG will offer you with 7 different variants, from base model pure manual to top model creative automatic. The expected prices of Tata Punch will be starting from 5,60,000 ex-showroom to 9 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Now let's talk about features. Tata Punch CNG will be loaded with a plenty of features. Includes a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android, a Harman sound system, semi-digital instrument cluster, keyless entry with push button start. In safety concern, you will get ABS with electronic brake distribution, rear parking sensors with cameras and dual front airbags. So you can say it will be a feature-loaded micro SUV. This Tata micro SUV has got 5-star NCAP global safety rating, and you know about Tata Steel. Tata Punch CNG will be offered in 7 different colors, including Tornado Blue, Orcus White, Daytona Grey, Tropical Mist, Atomic Orange, Calypso Red and Meteor Bronze. So wait for this beautiful micro SUV. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. If you like the video, please like it. Tell your suggestions in comment box.